The tidy team in the kitchen. Liam and Ella are very busy chefs in their classroom kitchen. They are making a giant, delicious feast for all their stuffed animal friends. Dinner is served. Ella shouts with a giggle. She carries a tray full of colorful plates and cups to the little table. It is the best party ever. Ding dong. The play bell rings. It is time to finish playing and start tidying up. Liam stops and looks at the kitchen floor. "Let's be the tidy team," says Liam. Ella smiles and nods. They decide to make cleaning up their favorite new game. Ella finds the round, red plates scattered on the rug. She stacks them one by one. Clack, clack, clack. They make a neat little tower. Liam finds the blue cups hiding under the table. He lines them up on the wooden shelf. They look like a row of little blue soldiers. "I found a yellow spoon," says Ella. "That goes in the basket," Liam says. He holds the basket open so Ella can drop it inside. Ella wipes the table with a soft cloth. She wants the kitchen to be sparkly and clean for the next group of friends who play here. They look at their drama center. The plates are stacked, the cups are lined up, and everything is in its home. Liam feels very proud of their hard work. "Goodbye, kitchen," they say together. When the tidy team works together, the room stays happy and ready for fun.